In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a Nano Banana into a 3D model. Whether you're a hobbyist or just curious about the process, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and easy to follow. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Gemini platform. If you're unfamiliar with this site, don't worry. It's a powerful tool for transforming 2D images into 3D models. Just open your web browser and head over to the Google Gemini website. Once there, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface, making it intuitive even for beginners. Next, you'll need to locate the Add Files icon. This is usually highlighted or displayed prominently on the screen as it's a key feature of the platform. Clicking this icon will allow you to upload the files you'll be working with. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to upload your files. Start by selecting a clear and well-lit image of the character you want to turn into a 3D model. A high-quality image will help the software produce the best results. After selecting your image, proceed to upload it. This might take a moment depending on the size of the file and your internet connection. While your image is uploading, consider crafting a specific text prompt. This prompt is critical because it guides the AI in applying the desired style and environment to your model. For example, you might use a prompt like a 3D toy figurine of a robot, Pixar animation style, with a packaging box and display stand. Providing detailed instructions helps ensure the output matches your vision. After entering your prompt, move on to the exciting part, clicking the Generate button. This allows the AI to work its magic, applying the style and transforming your 2D image into a 3D model. Depending on the complexity of the style and your system's capabilities, this step might take a few minutes. Finally, once the generation process is complete, take a close look at the result. If you're satisfied with how everything has turned out, you're ready to download your new 3D model. Make sure you have enough storage space on your device for this file, and then hit the download button. This will save the 3D model to your device, ready for you to use as you wish. And there you have it. You've successfully turned a Nano Banana into a 3D model. Keep practicing, as every creation is a chance to learn and refine your skills. Thanks for joining today, and happy modeling.